My name is Jennifer Hegler, and I am a director with Tupperware. Today, I wanted to show you how to make a simple recipe in your home. Tonight, I'm going to be making for you one of my favorite Tupperware recipes, and that is our simple salsa. It is very easy to make, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So one of the products that we're going to be using is our Power Chef, and that is this wonderful machine right here. So think of it as kind of like in your kitchen, your blender and your food processor had a baby and it doesn't need electricity. So that's how this works. And on the bottom of it, we have a non-skid ring. And so what that means for you is when you go to use it on your counter, it's not going to go anywhere, okay? So then it has a tri-level blade that moves 100 times every time you pull the cord. And it sits in there right like that. And you'll notice on the outside that there are measurements. They're metric and standard, as well as a fill tune line. And they're embossed on there, which means that it's never going to rub off. No matter how many times you put it in the dishwasher, it will always be there for you. So that's how it works. And of course, once you pull the cord, that's exactly how you make it work. So for our recipe today, it calls for 1 onion, well, half of an onion, depends upon how big it is. And so I'm literally just going to quarter my onion and put it in there. So 1 quarter, 2 quarters. Okay. We do have a safety ring, and that's this, and it locks on there. And it locks right on in there for you. Okay. And then if this, of course, is the motor. Everything is dishwasher safe except this top blue part right here and our blade. And I'll show you in just a moment how to unlock the top. So you put the top on and it locks on as well, okay? So you put it on a nice flat surface and all you do is pull the cord. There you go. So I only gave it a rough chop, which is nice because I pulled the cord, I'm in control of the size of the chop. There we go. I'm going to add in 2 jalapenos. My family likes some spicy salsa. If it were your family, you of course can use however many jalapenos you want, as well as if you take out the seeds and the white part on the inside of your jalapeno, that's going to reduce the spiciness of it. It's going to take out that capsaicin. So that's what makes them so spicy. I'm going to add my jalapenos in there, and then I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to put our safety ring on again. There we go. And lock it all in. And once again, I'm going to hold it and just pull our cord. And like I said, because I'm in control of the pull, I'm in control of the size of the stuff, the ingredients, the size of the chop. Now I'm going to add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Let me move this out of our way. And then I'm going to show you how our can opener works. So this is our can opener. It has 1 handle, and our handle consists of 2 legs. And to make it work, you have to open and close the legs, ladies and gentlemen. So then we have our can. Okay? And so you're going to put it on perpendicular, not parallel from geometry class, but perpendicular. So you're going to open the legs. You're going to put it on perpendicular. See how it sits perpendicular. And then you're going to turn the handle. It can go for either left-handed or right-handed people. And you'll know when you've gone all the way around because it'll get easier and you'll hear a little pop. There we go. There we go. There. So as you can see, it is still locked on and it's not going to drain. How it works is we use reverse engineering and we're just breaking that glue bond around the top of the can. I'm going to open it up. Then we're going to use the teeth that's on the end of the can opener to grab the top of our can and pull it off. Because we do that reverse engineering, it means we have no sharp edges, as well as our blade never touches food, which means there's no cross-contamination going from the tuna fish can to the dog food can to the can of peas or the can of green beans. All right, so we're going to do that with 1 more can of tomatoes. Again, perpendicular. It locks on. You can actually shake it like a maraca. There we go. I'm going to go all the way around with it. And like I said, it can be used for left-handed or right-handed. There we go. And then again, you open the legs. You grab it with the teeth. Oh, it's going to give me issues today because this is my old can opener. I'm just going to go around one more time. There we go. Now, if your can opener starts to have issues like this one, you can just get some Goo Gone to go around the edge of the blade that's up in here to clean out some of the gunk from the extra glue. There we go. Put that in there. Next, I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is one of our counterscaping containers. And these are so pretty to set out on your counter because they are nice and clear, but they are plastic, so they're nice and durable for you. They come with a little scoop. So imagine you could do it for salt, you can do it for pepper, you could do it for coffee even. There we go. You can do it for sugar. There. And then you're going to use some cumin. And this is one of our small serving seasoned containers. And because I've made this recipe so much, I'm just going to sprinkle some in there for you. And when you want to use about a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. That is everything that goes in your salsa. Once you put it in, you're going to pull that cord a couple more times. There we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your salsa. Now, wouldn't that be very easy to make for your Taco Tuesday recipe? Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.